Friuli Venezia Giulia is losing young talent to better opportunities abroad. Officials say it's not a problem of skills, but low wages and job insecurities. Now they're pushing for reforms to make the region more attractive for young professionals. So, what do young talents think? Are you from?
I'm from Trieste.
After your graduation, are you planning to stay in the region, or are you planning to go
Yes, I
away?
will stay in the region, I guess. But it could be everything. Yes, because I
Specifically?
like this city.
I'm from the Veneto region. I'm not from Trieste. Maybe yes. I really need to see what's coming. I mean, I'm open to move. I'm open to stay. It really depends what job I find.
I'm from Veneto, so I'm not from here. And after my graduation, I think that I won't stay here because here there are not many industries that work in the subject that I'm studying. So
Which is?
mechanical engineering,
I'm
but
from here, Trieste.
So after your graduation, are you planning to stay in the region or go elsewhere?
No, I'm planning to go outside, maybe in another country. I was planning to go to Arabia because I met a professor there.
I'm from Venice. I study medicine. I would really like to go abroad, like after graduation, because salary and experience. I would really like to go to London or Switzerland.
Okay, I think yes, I will stay here in my region because I was born here and I very like living in this place.
I'm from Gradisca, from Friuli Venezia Giulia. I love Italy, but I also think that all the experiences matter. So.
So I study medicine. I would like to do the Erasmus in this year, but I think I would stay in Italy after my graduation. I don't know if I would stay in Friuli Venezia Giulia or in another region.
Io sono di Trieste, vorrei restare a vivere proprio a Trieste. Magari fare qualche esperienza fuori, qualche anno subito dopo la laurea, però poi tornare qua.